Alright, today we're going to bring a gas mask. This is actually for anything else, not only gas mask, but a lot of chemical reactions or anything smoked. I do a lot of 3D resin printing, so this comes in handy. Also for painting, any kind of dust particles, this is perfect. Now, if you guys could see, it comes with, they give you plenty of filters, many filters. Very simple. Filter goes in here, caps on here, and then you twist it in here. Now you have an option for another canister here. Now this thing, incredible to set up. It's so simple. Just pull the tags on the top and the bottom and you're good. Now the only fallback on this one, I wear glasses, so I cannot use glasses with this because this does not seal very good if you're wearing glasses. So make sure, be aware, this is not for glasses, so make sure you take off your glasses when you're using them. Very easy, beautiful mask, clear to see. Compared to my old one, this is a great find. So all right, here's the finished product after we got it out of the cleaner, retainer, and now it's time to set it up.